Good morning, everyone. Myself, KRISH CHAUHAN, study in class 7th in SOMERVILLE School, NOIDA. Today, I am going to present a project on social media addiction. Selection of problem. Why have I selected this project? Let me tell you the story behind it. When a parent was discussing on PTM about gaming addiction issue, then I get an idea to work on this problem. Define the problem. With the help of 5W1H tool, we defined a problem in detail. That what is the problem? Students are spending more time on phone and TV, gaming, and other social networks. And when are these things happening? During COVID time, especially when classes are running online and there is no physical classes due to COVID restriction. And where? At home. Who are doing these things? Students of between age 10 to 15 years. And in which trend is it happening? On an average of 4.5 hours every day and up to 6 hours on weekend days. How it varies from standard. Trend is increased up to 3 times in COVID time against average gaming time 2 hours in pre-COVID days. So the final definition of the problem is students of age between 10 to 14 years are spending average 4.5 hours on social media on weekend days and up to 6 hours on weekdays during COVID time, which increased 3 times compared to time in pre-COVID days. Information. To work on this project, we formed a team of 6 people, including team mentor Mr. C.S. Chauhan, who guide us on problem-solving steps and tools. Team facilitators Preeti Singh and Latika ma'am, who coordinated us for meetings and reviews and provided us all the required support for this project. Myself, team leader Lakshya Arohi and Jia are the key team members. Target setting. So by this we set the SMART target for our project, followed by SMART approach. With the help of a set, with the help to set specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and a time-bound target, as you can see, we have taken the target to reduce total gaming time from 6 hours to 2 hours, which is 66.7% reduction. Project planning. To complete our project with a defined timeline, we made project activities come timing plan, which is based on PDCA. PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, and Act. Analyze the problem, brainstorming among team. For identification of all possible causes of problem, we have completed multiple rounds of brainstorming sessions and listed down 44 ideas from team. With the help of affinity diagram, we have classified large number of ideas into 7 groups as issues, review and analysis purpose. With the help of interrelationship diagram, we can identify out the issues given, what are the main causes and what are the main effects of all the issues at hand. You can see from the parent's role, 6 arrows are pointing out to the various issues. It means it is a main cause of all the issues. Really, a great parent can influence having indoor and outdoor activities, and and great parent can also influence having an learning atmosphere at home, etc. Similarly, we can see 6 arrows coming towards the main effect to skill uplift. So it means it is the main effect. The diagram also helps us to identify the priority, where to start first. Here we need to focus and channelize our actions on role of parents during pandemic time so that we can start solving all the other issues as well. Developing solutions. Based on inputs received from priority list, team has finalized following actions to improve the role of parents. These are actions to make indoor and outdoor activities a part of daily life. These are actions to improve online classes and make them more interesting with lot of fun. Foreseeing probable resistance. Being a student, we know that action could not be accepted easily by all the students. We have predicted many resistances which might be arisen during solution implementation. Therefore, we have studied all probable resistances with the help of team. We have initiated best possible solution to overcome from all the resistances before release of final solutions. Solution implemented. In the do phrase, we have implemented all the defined actions and role of parents. If we need to connect with family, first we need to disconnect with social media. More and more time spent with family and no screen during dining. If required, parents can also easily block the sites and also set the maximum permissible time for any app for a day. We also implemented all the defined actions on indoor and outdoor activities, as you can see some examples here, like dancing, crafting, yoga, and playing chess, carom, etc. Also, we have implemented all the defined actions on outdoor activities. You can see some examples here, like basketball, badminton, football, table tennis, cycling, and others. It was a great experience to take a part on WishTown Ki Ramlila, in which more than 20 students have played role of various characters. I felt proud to play role of Guru Vishwamitra and Lord Indra. We have spent 4 to 5 hours in each weekend days for more than 1 month time to complete 4 episodes, which are available on YouTube. Also implemented all the defined actions to improve online classes. You can see a few examples here, like use of headphone for better quality of audio, and UPS should be connected to PC. And before online classes, your battery should be full uh, so that you can concentrate uh, and arrange things nearby your table, like your water bottle should be there and other stationaries with you. Making notes. When we make notes during classes, it helps us to keep proper attention and focus on class and good connect with teacher. Relaxation and also relaxation after each class refreshes our body with extra energy. Check performance before and after. In the check phase, we have checked the effectiveness of our implemented actions. You can see the graph before and after. These are the reduction in gaming and screen time from 4.5 hours to 1.7 hours during weekdays and from 6 hours to 2 hours in weekend days. Also, we have achieved our target in better performance during weekdays. And we have seen some tangible benefits like increased attendance in classes, score in unit tests and exam, enhance the life skills. We also earned some intangible benefits like increased participation of students in classes, improved physical health of students, reduced stress level of students and parents, improved overall happiness of students, improved team building skills, learn problem solving steps. We also checked either we have completed our project on time or in any delay. See the project Gantt chart, we have completed all the activities as per schedule and project has been completed within defined timeline. It's the rules to sustain. In the act phase, we have set the key rules to sustain those improved results in the long-term manner. We have developed a checklist to monitor our day-to-day performance on key checkpoints. You can see here, except few things in weekend days, rest all checkpoints are being maintained well within the target. So the lesson learned is before any wrong practice becomes our habit, we should stop it in very early days. As long as we are habitual for any practice, longer the time will and efforts will be required to come out from it. And the tools which are used to make this project are 5W1H, brainstorming, Gantt chart, interrelationship diagram, some graphs, and affinity diagram. So the way forward is let's follow the set rules and actions. Also, self-discipline is the key we should always keep in our mind. Encourage others to follow the set rules. Stop, stop the wrong practices as early as possible if we have any. So it was almost impossible to complete this project without the support of my parents, fellows, and teachers. Would like to thank my parents to encourage me to work on this project, understand me to problem-solving steps. Would also like to thanks to all of my fellows who have provided me many information and ideas for this project. Would also like to thank the teachers who provided her valuable guidance and direction for this project. And a special thanks to the principal ma'am for giving me wonderful opportunity to share my project to all the students and parents. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions, you're most welcome.